All right, so you keep seeing all these videos about the Roadmap 2.0 and you're wondering if it's worth $497? It is. So let me take you in so that you can see what's inside and that way you can make a better decision. Let's go. All right, so this is like the home page. You have my library right here, and that's what's going to take you to the courses. And you can see how we have the community section. We also have the community in Spanish. You have the Spanish community. And then you have the original course, because I did buy the course during 1.0, and now I have also access to 2.0. But let's go up to 2.0. Access now. So I'm just going to show you how many videos you have. And as you can see here, you can just swipe and keep watching more videos. So this one has 6 videos, and then you can keep going down, and this is where you start seeing all the modules. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go all the way to 1.0 used to have 14 modules. So now this has double the information. 21, 25, 28 modules. And mind you, there's a couple of things that are still about to be, there are a couple of things that they still need to upload. It's like Instagram, Pinterest. But yeah, it's a couple of things, but most of this is already uploaded into the system, and you have several videos. And then if you want to go back and then go to the community, then you can ask questions, and you have it here in English, and then the Spanish community is like down here at the bottom. In Spanish, preguntas frecuentes. And you can just like go and search for questions and stuff like that, so that you don't ask something that has been already asked. You can do you can have also one-on-one calls, so that you can talk to one of the experts and have if you have any questions if you have any questions regarding specific things. If you have any questions regarding specific things, you can go and book a call with one of the support members. So yeah, that's just a little bit of all the information that you can get from this course. It's absolutely insane. It's amazing. Once you start watching all these videos, you feel like you want to do everything. But anyway, if you want to start your own business, if you want to start selling digital products, or if you want to improve the operations of your business that you currently have, I highly recommend buying the course. If you are interested in getting the course, again, it's in my Sten store. It's linked in my bio. Just go get it. Have a good one.